Good morning, students. Okay, in this class we are doing the problems. First problem is a balanced three-phase load of 30 megawatts is supplied at 132 kV, 50 Hz and 0.85 power factor lagging by means of a transmission line. The series impedance of a single conductor is 20 plus J52 ohms, and the total phase to neutral admittance is 315 into 10 power minus 6 Siemens. Using nominal T method, determine ABCD parameters, ABCD constants of the line. And the second one is sending end voltage and the regulation of the line. Okay. In this problem, the given data is first of all, it is a three-phase load, okay, and 30 megawatts. The power value is P equal to 30 megawatt is supplied at 132 kV. Is nothing but voltage value. Okay, so ES value is given here 132 and 50 Hz frequency and 0.85 power factor lagging by means of the transmission line, and also given the series impedance value. Impedance is nothing but Z value is given here. Z is nothing but R plus JXL. So R value is 20 and XL value is 52. 20 plus J52 is nothing but the impedance value, and here and one more value is given here, the admittance value, and the admittance is 315 into 10 power minus 6 Siemens. That's the Y value is the data is ABC. Okay. See, first from the given data, we know that ABCD admittance value. Okay. See, admittance value is 315 into 10 power minus 6, and by using it, the problem is a nominal T method. Okay, in the nominal T method, we can derive the ABCD values, and for the sending end current and sending end voltage and regulation also we can find out here. And first of all, Z value is 20 plus J52. Okay, and Y value is nothing but 315 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, this is the admittance value and this is the impedance value. So we know the formulas A, B, C, D in the nominal T method. Okay, in the nominal T method, this is the nominal T method, ABCD values. A equal to 1 plus YZ by 2, B equal to Z plus YZ square by 4, C equal to Y, and D equal to 1 plus YZ by 2. This is the 4 ABCD parameters values. These formulas we can use for calculating the ABCD parameters on the transmission line T network. Okay, for nominal pi method, we can use these formulas. Okay, and this is the nominal T method problem. So we can find out A and D values are equal, is nothing but 1 plus ZY by 2. We can substitute the value 1 plus we know that ABCD formulas, we can substitute the value ZY in place of AD values. So AD equal to 1 plus ZY by 2 equal to 1 plus Z value is 20 plus J52 substitute, and Y value J into 315 into 10 power minus 6. So substitute, we can get the value 0.992 plus J 0.00315. This is the value for A and D. So A and D values are equal. So it converted into complex to polar. That value is 0.992 at an angle of 0.18. And for B value, B equal to Z into 1 plus ZY by 4, and we can write also Z plus Z square by 4 by 4, no problem at all, we can calculate. So here substitute the value of Z and Y, we can get the value is 19.84 plus J 51.82, that can be in the converted complex to polar 55.5 at an angle of 69 degrees, and C is equal to Y. So direct Y value can substitute here 0.000315 Okay, this is the C value. The first one is the nominal T method problem. First problem is we can find out A, B, C, D values. So in the A, B, C, D values we can find out. And the second one is the sending end voltage. And for the sending end voltage, same procedure we can do in the previous problems. We are equal to 132 kV. So here 132 kV is the three-phase problem, and here we can convert the for per phase value we can calculate here, and we are equal to 132 into 10 cube by root 3, and that value is 76,210 volts, and IR equal to P by root 3 VR cos phi R. So we can substitute the values and we can get the value of IR, that is 154 amps, and cos phi R also given, and by using the cos phi R we can calculate sin phi R value also, and VR equal to VR plus J0, and so VR value equal to 76,210 volts, and IR value equal to IR at an angle of phi R with respect to VR. So VR value is same VR, and IR value equal to IR into cos phi R minus J sin phi R. So IR value is 154 amps. Substitute here. So 154 into cos phi R is 0.85 minus J 0.53, that is equal to 131 minus J 81.62, and Vs value, we know the formula for the two-port network. Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. So why? Because by using this formula we can know the ABCD values and VR IR values. Directly we can substitute and we can get the value for Vs. So by using for the calculation easy method, ABCD parameters we can use in this problem. Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. So we know previously calculate that A value is 0.992 plus J 0.00315, and substitute here A value, and VR value is 76,210, and that value substitute, plus B value is 19.84 plus J 51.82, and substitute here, and into IR. IR is 131 minus J 81.62. Substitute here and multiply these two, and adding them we can get that value Vs directly. 82,428 plus J 5,413, and the magnitude of Vs equals square root of real part square plus imaginary value square. We can get 82.6 kV, that is the sending end voltage Vs. Okay, and for the line to line we can calculate that value into root 3, that is 143 kV, and the percentage regulation we can calculate here. In that regulation is a no load we can take here. So IR equal to 0, so IR equal to 0, and Vs equal to A into VR. So we are no load, we are not equal to Vs by A. So that value we can find out that regulation value. So no load minus VR by VR value. So VR at no load is nothing but Vs by A. So Vs value is, we can calculate here 82.6, substitute here, minus VR value is nothing but 76.2. So by placing the values, and we can get that regulation value. Okay. So this is the problem based upon the nominality method by using the ABCD parameters calculations. Okay. We know the formulas, we can do the problems very easily. And the next problem, 132 kV 50 Hz three-phase transmission line delivers a load of 50 megawatts at 0.8 power factor lagging. At the receiving end, the generalized constraints of the transmission line are A and D equal to 0.95 at an angle of 1.4, and B equal to 96 at an angle of 78, C equal to 0.0015 at an angle of 90. Find the regulation of the line and charging current using nominality method. Okay. By using the nominality method, we can derive the expressions. And here one more thing is, from the given data ABCD values are given. By using that ABCD values, we can do the problem for finding Vs and Is values. Okay. Here in the given data, VR also given, VR and frequency. It's a three-phase transmission line, and the power value also given. P equal to 50 megawatts and cos phi equal to 0.8 power factor. Okay. Here VR equal to 132 into 10 cube by root 3. So VR value 76,210 and IR equal to, so 50 into 10 power 10 power 6. P is nothing but 50. P value is 50 megawatts. 50 into 10 power 6 by root 3 into 132 into 10 cube into 0.8. Okay. Root 3 into VR cos phi r. Cos phi r also is given 0.8 power factor. That's we can substitute the value in IR. We can find out that the value is 273 amps. Okay. And cos phi r also given 0.8. By using that cos phi r, we can find out sin phi r, that is 0.6. And VR value at VR is same phase angle, so VR value same VR is and IR value at an angle of minus phi r. So that can be treated as IR into cos phi r minus j sin phi r. We can write also 273 at an angle of minus phi r. Phi r angle we can calculate by using the cos of phi r equals 0.8. Phi r equal to cos inverse of 0.8, that an angle is 36.9. We can substitute directly. Okay, 273 at an angle of, in the polar form we can write here 273 at an angle of 36.9. And the sending end voltage Vs equal to, we know the formula, two-port formula, Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. We know the A and B values. A and B values are given in the problem. A value, A and D is 0.95, B is 96.78. Okay, here A value is 0.95 at an angle of 1.4 into VR value 76,210 at an angle of 0 plus B value 96 at an angle of 78 degrees. So 96 at an angle of 78 into IR value 273 at an angle of minus 36.9. Okay, we can multiply and addition of this expression, we can get this expression. Okay, here in the polar form we can calculate easily by using the complex method also. By using the complex method, this can be in the calculators, we can convert polar to complex, complex to polar. For calculation easy, we can convert polar to complex form. Complex form, we can multiply that A plus JB and A minus JB. We can A into A and A into JB, and in this way. Okay. For example, see here. R at an angle theta, okay, into Y at an angle theta. Okay, this can be multiplied and adding these two and addition these two. Okay, adding the both the angles and multiply it with the terms, we can get the value. Okay, and this is the one method, and for another method we can convert the polar to rectangle, complex form, that is A plus JB into this also we can convert, that's for example x plus jz. Okay, this can be converted in the calc and multiply these two, a into x plus a into jz plus jbx plus jb into j. J into j, j square. So that value is minus 1. So minus of 1 into bj minus bj. Okay. In this way also we can do. These two methods or any problem, which method you can do, no problem at all. Okay, any method you can do for calculation. So finally we can get that value is 94,066 at an angle of 11.65. And for the sending end current also we can derive the same method, IS equal to C into VR plus D into IR. So we can give from the given data, we know that C value and D value also, that C value equal to 0.0015 at an angle 90 into VR value substitute, and D value and IR value substitute here, and then finally we can get that IS value. Okay, so IS value is 211 minus J36. Okay, and in that problem for find out the charging current also. Charging current is nothing but IC. See here in the circuit diagram. This is the IC charging current. IC we find out by using the two currents. IS equal to IR plus IC. Okay, IC is nothing but the capacitive current or also charging current. For finding the charging current, we can solve the method is IS equal to IR plus IC. Okay, for the circuit, for any problem, the circuit will be drawn and the phasor diagram also drawn here. Okay, IAC equal to IS minus IR. So we know the IS and IR values, substitute, and we can get that value is 128.2, that is the charging current. And the percentage regulation is finally we can find out the VS at no load is nothing but VS by A. Okay, in the previous problem we do the by VR not equal to Vs by A. Okay, IR equal to 0, so Vs equal to A into VR, so VR equal to Vs by A. We can substitute here and we can find out the regulation. Okay, this is the percentage of regulation. In that percentage of regulation we can calculate it no load. For that no load condition, IR equal to 0, so Vs equal to A into VR. So VR at no load we can rewrite as VR naught equal to Vs by A. Okay, see here. Okay, at no load IR equal to 0 and Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. So Vs equal to A into VR naught equal to Vs by A. That value substitute here. In any problem we can do in the same manner, the percentage regulation. Okay, and these are the problems based upon the nominal T method and nominal pi method also we can use, but formulas are different, but method is same for the calculations. Okay, these are the problems. Once again I will tell, I will repeat the problem. Okay, this is the first problem. Here the problem we are only Vs and VR sorry VR terms at the receiving end power and voltage can be given. By using this we can find out that ABCD values. Okay, and the second problem we can do by using the ABCD values we can find out the VSIS value. Okay, here also impedance and admittance value also given. By using that values we can find out ABCD values. Okay, and next one we can by using the normal method we can find out the IR value. IR equal to P by VR cos phi r, and the two-port network expressions are Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. We can easily find out by using this formula, and A value substitute and VR value by using the calculation complex to polar or polar to complex. Any problem we can do in these problems. So Vs value is 82.6 value we can get, and regulation also we can find out here by using the regulation formula is Vs minus Vr by Vr into 100 at no load. So at no load condition IR equal to 0 here. So IR value is 0. So Vs equal to A into Vr. That value can substitute here. And This is the regulation. And next problem is in that problem ABCD values are given, and by using the ABCD values we can find out the Vs and Is values and charging current also. If any method that formula can use, we can formula Is equal to IR plus IC and IL equal to IR plus IC1. Okay, by using this formulas we can calculate easily. Okay. Here VR and IR is VR is given. By using VR and PR we can calculate I value, and here for the sending end voltage and sending end current we use this formulas Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. Here we can convert polar to rectangle, rectangle to polar, no problem at all. Any method we can do it. So finally we can get that value is 94,066, and the same process for the sending in current Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. Okay, and by using this we can calculate Is value, and for the charging current IC equal to Is minus IR. So substitute the Is value and IR value, we can get the charging current, and the percentage regulation also we can calculate here. And by using the formula is Vs by A minus VR by VR into 100. So this is the percentage of regulation. So by doing these problems, so totally second chapter is completed. Once again, I will repeat that in the second chapter is the transmission line, performance of transmission lines. In that performance of transmission lines mainly divided into three categories. First one is the short transmission line, and second one is the medium transmission line, and the third one is long transmission line. Okay, in the short transmission line, capacitance can be neglected here, and in the medium transmission lines capacitance will be present, and the capacitance value present in the long transmission line in the three methods. And the first one is the end condenser method, and the second one is nominal T method, and third one is the nominal pi method. And these three methods in the medium transmission line calculations, and the third finally long transmission lines. In the long transmission lines we can calculate by using the rigorous method. That method we can see in the next class for the performance of long transmission lines. In this, in all problems, we can derive the percentage of regulation and efficiency. That percentage of regulation is nothing but Vs minus Vr by Vr into 100, and efficiency is output by input power into 100. These are the mainly two terms for doing all problems: percentage of regulation and efficiency. And another method in the medium transmission lines are ABCD parameters. By using the ABCD parameters, we can calculate problems very easily. Okay, see here, this is the ABCD parameters for the two-port circuit. We know that the two equations Vs equal to A into Vr plus B into IR, and Is equal to C into Vr plus D into IR. For all conditions we can take in here for open circuit and closed circuit. For open circuit conditions are IR equal to 0. IR equal to 0, substitute in both these two equations, we can get A and C values. Okay, and VR for the short circuit condition, VR equal to 0. So VR equal to 0, placing in these two equations, we can get B and D values. Okay. So finally, from the values A and D are the same voltage values, Vs by Vr value. So the same voltage values both cancel each other. So no dimensions here, okay. And for B and C is nothing but C by V or V by I, sorry. V by I or I by V is nothing but voltage by current, okay, is nothing but current by voltage is nothing but resistance values or Siemens values, reverse value, okay. So that can be represented with dimensions ohm, okay? And A and D are the dimensionless, and B and C are the ohms or Siemens. We can represent here. This method in the medium transmission, in the long transmission lines also, ABCD parameters are there. So for the same method, that by satisfying the ABCD parameters, two conditions are occurred. The first one is A equal to D, and the second one is AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, these two conditions satisfied only, we can do the ABCD parameters. And here one point for the end condenser method, the ABCD parameters calculations are not done. Why? Because the conditions are not satisfying in the end condenser method. And for short transmission lines and for the nominal T method and nominal pi method, we can derive that ABCD parameters. And the problems also we can do the every method, okay? Same method, same directions, okay? Same, same derivations are will done here, okay? Sending in current and receiving in current. For the voltage expression, we can derive Vs equal to Vr plus drop, okay? Vs sending in voltage equal to receiving in voltage plus drop. If any current divisions are occurred, current values Is equal to Ir plus Ic. Okay, in the same manner, we can do all derivations. And one more thing is there, and we can easily identify the formulas of ABCD. For the nominal T method, A and D values 1 plus yz by 2, and for the nominal pi method also, that values are 1 plus yz by 2. Same values, the ABCD value, in the ABCD parameter values, A value always equal to 1 plus yz by 2, and D always equal to 1 plus yz by 2. Okay, so we can easily identify the formulas A and D, 1 plus yz by 2 for nominal T method and nominal pi method also. And for the B and C values, some change will occur. And for the nominal pi method, B value is Z, okay? And C value is y plus y square into Z by 4. This is the 4, okay? Y plus y square into Z by 4, okay? And for nominal T method, that values are exchanged. C equal to y. Here, and that nominal pi method, C equal to y plus y square Z by 4, C value. And here impedance is present here, Z plus y Z square by 4. Okay, here y is there, here the Z square value come, and here Z is there, y square value will come. Okay, so in that way we can identify the formulas and easily write down the formulas. Okay, and in the next class, we are discussing about long transmission lines, and for the long transmission line calculations and ABCD parameters also, and in the nominal T method and nominal pi method also, we can do the long transmission lines. Okay, and next class we are going to discuss the topics.